How to invite Facebook friends on Instagram. First of all, launch your Instagram application on your device. Log in and sign into your account. Now select the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On the settings and activity page, scroll down and locate the option for invite or follow and invite friends. So tap on it. Under contact and people to follow, you will see invite friends by option. So select this. And your social media platform will get access or pop up on this section where you have to select Facebook news feeds or Facebook your groups. You can either share it on your Facebook news feed or you can also invite your friends through your groups. By choosing any one of them and sending the link, you can easily invite Facebook friends on Instagram. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and then subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.